How to set pin on Netflix profile. It is very easy to set the pin on your Netflix profile. All you have to do is simply open up Netflix. You will see a couple of profiles right over here depending upon how many profiles you have. Now you can see in my case all of my profiles are locked, but you can also unlock and lock if you want to. From here, don't select any profile. Instead, tap on the edit icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Just select the profile that you want to lock or maybe unlock or set a pin. Then right there you can see profile lock. In my case it's enabled, in your case it could be disabled, so you can go to that option and you can just tap on delete profile lock, or if you want to change the lock you can tap on edit pin. If you have not yet set up a lock, then you'll find the option to set up your new profile lock right from here. Previously we had to do this process from your browser, but now Netflix have made it easier. So this way you'll be able to set pin on Netflix profile. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.